Mga bagong muka sa Barangay Ginebra. Ito na ang inaantay ng mga kabarangay. Barangay Ginebra 2024 number 3 overall pick this PBA rookie draft.
Barangay Ginebra picks RJ Abarientos.
RJ Abarientos will go to Barangay Ginebra.
RJ Abarientos. So dahil naglalaro sa Strong Group Pilipinas si RJ Abarientos, tito niya na si Johnny Abarientos ang nag-proxy. So congrats para sa Barangay Ginebra at syempre kay RJ Abarientos. At bago siya mapunta nga dito sa Barangay Ginebra, ito ang naging matinding highlights niya. Ahmad Didat Hanapi, hindi makapaniwalang kukuhanin siya ng Barangay Ginebra bilang pang number 5 pick sa second round ngayong 2024 PBA Rookie Draft. Ito'y produkto ng Adamson. May taas na 6'2". Ganito nga ang estilo niya kung maglaro.
This is 4-point deficit. Hanapi, 15-footer, top shot off the glass.
See, the Blue Eagles are more fired up than ever to end this elimination round on a high.
Point game. Hanapi on the move. Nice pass to Manzano. 2 games so far here in season 85. As we see them in the middle zone for themselves. Flowers missing. 0 out of 2 so far in the game. Oh, what an attack there by all 99. You have the power to do what you want. 4 straight points. Corner pocket drive. Hanapi drives hard to the basket. UP. Oh, great cut. Easy layup. That's absurd. Yeah. Absurd. Absurd dunk. 2 words.
In the first quarter, we were finding shots, but we ended more successfully because now we are finding fouls and he just loves going against the UP crowd. He's even more motivated to do so because the Lastimosa family.
Looking it right back out to Josh. Hanapi tries for 3. That's good for Didat Hanapi. 69-66. Steal here by Hanapi. Goes all the way to the basket for 2. So they got to be careful and not to turn over that ball. Hanapi goes all the way to the basket for. That's the time to shoot. Top of the key. Hanapi. Didat Hanapi turns and scores. Hanapi, top of the key. That's good. Thank you, Jana. As Jana reported, we saw the return of shot by Paranata was bothered by Manzano. Didat Hanapi all the way for 2. There are so many teams with 4 wins as Hanapi at courts and knocks down the 3. Hanapi's been playing great today. Sabantal from the corner and bad shot. Colonia finds the open Hanapi from the corner. Knocks it in. Final season out of Chiangmai Shek College. Shot from outside. Hanapi back to Lastimosa drives. What a pass. They swing it around. Didat Hanapi. Hanapi has it. Shot clock reads 10. Falcon striker erased his 4-point deficit. Hanapi 15-footer. Top shot off. Hanapi put on the line. That's the long 2, but they'll take it.
Oh, the shooter was wide open.
Hanapi again, same spot, same result.
This bar for box and 1, I think, for USD.
Hanapi off the bench for 3 from the elbow.
Horns played pop action for Lucero. He's improved his 3-point shoot.
12-point advantage. Hanapi.
Tagumpay ang Ginebra sa pagkakakuha sa legit spot-up shooter na si Paulo Hernandez. Produkto ng Mapua. May edad lamang na 25-year-old. At ganito nga ito maglaro. Paul Garcia, huling pick ng Ginebra sa 2024 PBA Rookie Draft pick na ito. Mala CJ Perez pala ang laruan nito. Tinding slasher, husay ring mga steal, at napakaligsi. Ito'y nooy naglaro abroad at naglaro rin sa Ateneo para sa UAAP at minsan na ring lumaro sa MPBL. Kung gusto nyo makita ang estilo ng galawan niya sa laro, ito't ating sabay-sabay panoodin.